Military service is often described as a life-altering experience, and for many, this holds true. The changes can be profound, shaping individuals in ways they may not have anticipated. There are distinct benefits often associated with military service. Firstly, many veterans report an increase in maturity. The structured environment and the demands placed on them often accelerate their personal growth. Secondly, a heightened sense of responsibility is instilled. Service members are entrusted with important tasks and equipment, fostering a strong sense of accountability. Thirdly, self-discipline is cultivated through rigorous training and adherence to strict regulations. This newfound discipline can extend into various aspects of their lives. Fourthly, teamwork becomes an essential skill. Military operations rely heavily on collaboration and mutual support, teaching individuals how to work effectively as part of a cohesive unit. Fifthly, the concept of sacrifice is ingrained. Service members are often required to put the needs of their unit and their country ahead of their own personal desires. However, there are also potential drawbacks associated with military service. One of the primary concerns is the high level of stress that individuals may experience. The demands of the job, a separation from family and friends, and the potential for exposure to traumatic events can all contribute to significant stress levels. Another significant issue is the potential danger involved. Service members may face hazardous conditions and the risk of physical harm depending on their role and deployment location. The impact on physical health is also a relevant consideration. Military service can be physically demanding, and service members may sustain injuries or develop chronic health conditions as a result of their duties. Finally, the mental health of service members can be significantly affected. Exposure to combat, witnessing traumatic events, and the overall stress of military life can increase the risk of developing mental health conditions such as post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, and depression. In summary, military service can bring about positive changes such as increased maturity, responsibility, self-discipline, teamwork, and a sense of sacrifice. At the same time, it is important to acknowledge the potential negative effects, including stress, danger, and impacts on physical and mental health.